Okay, wait. No, I think I'm live on YouTube now. Hey. Also join the stream together, you motherfucker.
Oh, I forgot. Can you send the stream together invite?
I did. Like 10 minutes ago.
Oop, I left your stream open. There we go. Okay. Can you send the stream together?
I did. Like 10 minutes ago. It says awaiting response. Oh, there we go.
Can you send the stream together?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
What did I do? What have I done since the last time we streamed?
I don't know.
I did a couple of
I can
things,
show you what I've done.
not great things. Yeah, you did stuff with stone block. I pulled your changes. I'll commit these up.
I can push up the rest of my changes too.
You have more changes?
Also, there was an error when I tried to run the ground guys, but it was just because the exports weren't set.
What export?
For the raycasts, for like the ground and wall array.
Oh, okay, I see. Right there.
Because it didn't like that.
True.
Do they? It seemed like they weren't working on some rooms. Are there some rooms that they don't work on?
Technically, that's mainly
or is it that they
by design of the room, not design of the system. Like
Okay, so because the starting room, it seemed like they were tweaking out a bit. I'm not sure if that was because.
Try.
What do they do if they can't reach you?
Currently, on your end, nothing.
Yeah.
Right now, on my end, they will choose a position to go to. So they'll be like, I can't.
Then maybe something. I think mine is trying to revert it back to the old movement if it doesn't work.
Why is he standing here?
Because if I spawn.
Oh wait, does this have a navigation thing? It does, right? This room.
Good, yeah, because the flank guys are there. Yeah. But see, look here. If you're looking at my screen, he's just like tweaking around down here.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck. I don't know why this guy's.
But it seems to be that he's getting triggered by the raycast. So I think it's like reverting to his old movement or something.
He has some shit going on that I added. Also, hello, Lucky. How's it going?
Because I didn't know if you pushed it up or not.
I don't think so, actually.
Okay,
I don't think I've pushed up.
You can get up here. So I don't know why.
Maybe I have. Did I push up?
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Because he can get up here.
How tall is that jump?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Let me turn on the debug. I should add debug drawing
wide
options. That's what I wanted to do. I was thinking about that earlier.
But yeah, he like tweaking out, kind of weird.
Navigation.
But I can show you the new cards I added, or I guess there's just the spray bottle is the only new one. But oh, I forgot I left the collisions on. Let me turn those on so it doesn't look terrible. Because I had the same issue I had with the auto turret where the area was scaling infinitely because I said it wrong.
Yeah.
Yo, is that Lucky and Moaz Cheeseburger?
No. They're in my chat. Leave them alone. I'm just kidding.
Our chat.
No, that's my YouTube chat. It's not our chat.
You guys should come join my stream. It's like way cooler.
My YouTube chat. My property extends out to
You can hear the spray bottle. I bet you can't hear the spray bottle on his stream.
My property extends out to the fence, so back off.
Here's the spray bottle though. You wanna
see what
it looks like?
Give me a second. Let me get this working.
Do you wanna add like a ripple shader?
Can. There's a couple of things I want to add first, but yeah. Because we have a deadline of stuff that I did not meet.
Yeah.
And it happens.
Yeah, I think the main thing tonight is probably relics.
Relics?
There's a couple of cards that I want to do. But unless what do you have planned? Do you have anything planned?
I had a couple of things. I don't know.
I mean, obviously there's the enemy variants that I don't know if you wanted to do those or not. But I was thinking the relics would be probably really easy for you to do. I mean, I can do them, but it's just you're the programmer, so like you know how to do those things a lot better.
Sometimes I'm in the wrong fucking scene. I was trying to.
Either I could do them and ask you a bunch of questions, or you can do them.
Sorry, you can do what? What are you saying?
Mixture of both. The relics, like I can probably make them. It'll just take some like mixture of me figuring stuff out and me asking you lots of questions.
I see.
But not like that's very different from how I do anything.
It's true. Sorry, let me see what's going on with this room. I want to see why things are breaking with this guy. Oh, you just aren't pathfinding at all. I see. You will strike at me. You just won't move. Is there not? There is a region in here, right? What is this called? Is this just called Start Room? Flesh Start Room. There you are. Navigation region. You should have gotten a tile map added to you. Oh, this didn't... What? This didn't do, like, anything. Point map. Like, I'm not seeing any of the... Oh, because I have to press Q for it to have it draw, and it's also not scaling correctly. Tile map navigation. Or navigation. Tile navigation is what it's called. Here we are. Draw. I think for this, what I can do is I can just do like a draw set transform vector 2.0 0 and then 4 4. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh yeah, this just isn't populating everything, and I don't know why. There were just tiles missing. Oh. I kind of know what's going on here, I think. Oh, sorry. I played through your demo on Steam. Really cool stuff. The only point of feedback you want to give is the camera movement, especially vertical, was too jerky to enjoy the action. I get that, yeah. I still don't know what all we want to do with the vertical camera. I do get that specifically whenever you're like falling down or like whenever you jump on the jump pad, it can be a little jerky.
Yeah, I think maybe making the movement a little bit slower. Because, yeah, it does kind of just, like, snap up when it doesn't really need to be that fast. Like, it could just, like, slowly.
Do you mean movement of the camera or movement of the player? Just
movement
to clarify.
of the camera.
Okay. Okay, I think I know what's going on with this. If I go in here into the floor tile set. Oh my god, you have so
Even
many...
just like changing the easing a little bit might even help.
You have so
but like
many
just jumping between
here.
like this platform here, it just feels like I can see what you mean.
Why are there so many
bounce pads and things like that?
Why is the same image in here multiple times, but like with slight...
The same what?
Okay, so I'm looking at the ground tile set. Why does it have
Here, let me see it.
magma brick wall v3 auto tile and magma brick wall auto tile?
Because one of those is for the...
They're like the exact same, except one of them has like specs on it.
Yes, that's the only difference.
Which one is... The one with the specs on is the one we're using?
Yes.
Okay. Because I have to edit this because there's a property that is supposed to be set up here that I didn't set up.
I see.
Which is why this wasn't.
Oh, that's... I see.
And then I think if I reload, perhaps, that might... Oh, I should probably drop it straight into this room rather than not. Let me make this debug draw. Okay, yeah, it's still not...
We could probably even, like, include camera options.
Yeah,
like
but I
how
think that
fast
the
you wanna
default should
follow,
probably
but-
be
Yeah.
tuned a little bit. I actually don't know why this
Is there
isn't.
easy places to change that?
Should be, yeah. I think I made the, on the player theme, the biddy camera object, I'm pretty sure should
Yeah,
have...
mess with that while you are doing whatever you're doing.
I don't understand.
Visualytic camera. Oh, yeah.
What does this have?
Slow lerp, fast lerp. What wonderful parameter.
Those are for horizontal. I
Oh, that's
believe.
for horizontal. Okay, what's for vertical? Guess I can't change
Yeah,
the vertical
there might not be a vertical slurp speed.
Then I'll
It does a
find it.
lot of shit.
Okay, I won't find it.
Yeah, it does a lot of shit.
Hello, AVM.
It has so many. It takes care of a lot of stuff.
Let me just look for Y. Let me look for Y and lerp in the same thing.
Your thing is going to be lerp amount. Oh no, I guess fast. Never mind. Slow lerp and fast lerp are actually for vertical. Just kidding, I lied. So you should be able to change those, and it would make an update.
Well, let's just make these smaller then, and see how that.
Oh my god. I understand what's going wrong with this. I understand why this is breaking. Or at least it's doing something weird. I was like, I know this shouldn't matter. Wait. Ground secondary and ground overlay. There's like a...
Ground overlay is empty on that room. Ground overlay is for stuff like the green goop and the green goop level.
I see.
So ground secondary is
yeah,
actually just a second ground, so you can like collide with it. Ground overlay is purely visual.
I see. Wait, does this not have a... Wait, am I like blind? I thought that there was a variable in here called like just ground tile map or some shit. I guess not. I guess it's just ground overlay. Am I referencing that or what am I doing? Yeah, I forgot the Discord announcement. Sometimes I just don't do them, you know?
Yeah, sometimes he's lazy.
It's not lazy. Sometimes I don't do it. Oh, wait, no. No. I'm, you know, stupid. Why am I being stupid? Oh, that's gross that that's an on-ready var. That should still be fine.
An on-ready preload.
Oh, genuinely. That shouldn't matter. Right? I want to change it, but I'm not going to.
This feels so weird. I made the lerp speed so slow.
No.
This honestly isn't like terrible. The only like downside is when you're falling, you can't really see where you're going. But it's like a lot smoother.
Yeah, so the slow lerp is whenever you jump from a spot to another spot, how it like catches up to where the ground is. Fast lerp is whenever you're like moving vertically throughout the air.
Okay. Honestly, this isn't too bad.
I think that looks fucking terrible, I'll be honest. I think that feels... I don't know how it feels to play, but it looks very...
slow. The main thing for me is that, like, things that don't move around the screen. Because I think the issue with the fast slurp is that when you're moving up and down, all the things like enemies and things like that are moving up and down really fast. Whereas this, they, like, kind of slowly move around. At least from your, like, perspective.
Yeah, I don't know. The camera's very... Oh, God. It feels very slow.
It does. A little bit. But...
Sorry, I don't understand why this isn't... This is grabbing the tile.
I think somewhere in between would probably be decent.
It should be filled out, and I don't know why it's not actually on this level. Because it fills out on every other level, right? Hello, Bond. Apparently I'm fixing bugs with navigation, so... navigation...
Hello, Bond.
Raw.
Dante 9 released tomorrow?
No. Nope.
But we are gonna have the demo by the
See,
end of
like,
January.
This works. I don't understand. don't understand why this
I
isn't.
feel like it's that blend between the follow and a snap to when you land that's a little intense.
This room is just
yeah.
having issues, I guess. It's not.
So what if we keep this fast slurp, which is when you land or when you are falling,
fast
but the
slurp is
slow
good.
slurp we turn way down.
I don't think it has anything to do with the secondary tile map, does it? Unless, like... Is this using, like, a different
If you just
terrain?
delete the secondary tile map for now? What?
This isn't using, like, a different terrain than normal, is it?
What do you mean different terrain? Like different terrain pattern?
Like a different, like, tile set. Like, this thing is what it's using on the floor, right?
I don't know what you're asking. Yes.
Okay.
Wait. Scroll down.
Where?
In the list of tile sets. Or tiles. Yeah, because that one's the background, yeah. So no.
Why are these two different? Whatever, it doesn't matter to me.
Because the background has, or the ground has light occluders and collision,
but the background you could just like turn off occlusion.
Yeah, but that would involve me like reading that that's an option.
Okay. No, that's okay. I just don't understand this tile navigation. Oh wait, is it? No, it's not. No, probably not, right? Surely. Yeah, okay, so this does run now. I just don't know why this section is not populated, but this one is. Like, do you see this one? This one has the line of traversal nodes correct, but it doesn't generate any here or down here. And I don't know why. That's why
you have 9 of. That's 9 Dr. Peppers.
I think that's why the guy was like tweaking out, is because he could sit here, like he could walk between these. Because he sees these. And he knows about them. But like he can't walk between these. Here, let's walk through it. Alright, so here's what we're doing. So whenever I do populate ground targets, is it because of a map bounds issue? I don't think so. Map bounds has point, console not print, broken points. Test pause. Let's reload that. Okay, so this does break allegedly. Let me. Where are we getting bounds from? Where's bounds? Map bounds. Oh, wait. Console. Map bounds. Minus 13, minus 22, up to 27. 20.
Okay, but how does this camera look? Actually, if you're busy, do what you're doing.
Yeah, give me a second. I think that's what I want to do. Is I want to say map bounds. Map bounds grow 1. Nope, I lied. Oh, fuck it. Let's grow it by 10 and see what happens. Stick.
am I getting pinged? Who's pinging me in my server? Hello, Lucky. Welcome to the better stream.
Mm-hmm. Is this not
Who started a thread on my ping announcement?
fire?
I should ban them for doing that. Lucky, are you still making a big game project? I remember you started some like space looking thing and it looked really sick. I know you've made a couple really cool looking things. What am I doing?
What are you doing? I don't know.
You're working on it right now. That's great.
Fire.
I am still waiting for an update on it because I want to see what's going on with it. Because it did look very cool. You have a very cool art style. Someday I want to do 3D, but it's so hard.
Why is this? Oh,
After this one, I might try 3D. I'm trying to think for a card that would mark an enemy. What would that? I don't even know what that would be like theming wise.
Laser
Hello,
pointer.
Ginger Jet.
Should we know?
Laser pointers. No.
I don't know actually. To be honest with you.
Also, Lucky, you should join Bitlytic's Discord server because he has lots of cool game devs in it.
That's
You should come say hi.
somewhat true.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't think so, then you can join mine instead, but I'm just saying yours is probably better.
Yeah, no. Oh shit, dude. That's really cool. I don't.
Put a cat paw stamp on it.
Why is this so
But
large?
what does that have to do with what the card does? Like, I mean, a cat paw stamp would be cool, but, you know.
Oh, sorry. I just looked over it. What's your preference in women?
You missed the message before.
What was the message before?
It said, "What's your preference in men?" And then like,
Fucking funny. Oh my lord.
I guess they changed their mind.
Yeah. That's fucking funny.
Lily off to bed considering you two got the dopest pixel art scene. Was wondering if you'd be up to try a pixel art game. Yes, I would love to try it. Made a web build. Tough. Yes, send it wherever. You can send it right here. Oh, there we go. I'm playing it right now.
Whoa, dude. Congratulations. I just hacked your bank accounts. Get fucked,
It's a web
idiot.
build.
Okay. It's made in
Yeah, I know,
Unity,
probably still have.
so it's vulnerable.
Is
That's
it
not
made in
true.
Unity?
That's not
Oh,
true.
never
Unity
mind, I'm
isn't
closing it.
vulnerable. I don't know if that's true. That would be an issue.
I was
with
just saying I'd
Firefox
close
or
it because it's
Chrome.
made in Unity, not because it's a virus. You know?
I see. Yeah.
I'm sorry. You can use Unity.
Yeah, you're totally allowed to use Unity. We
Hold up, it's got music. Hold
We'll
up,
judge you.
pause the music.
We will make fun
Can
of
I
you.
resize this window? Why is it not letting?
What
Oh, okay.
happened?
Oh, it's something with Twitch chat. I see.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
What happened?
They tried posting a message. Alien said, see, I can full screen it, but oh wait, oh you're right. I see. But can I resize the window? Okay, yes I can. There we
Probably,
go.
yeah.
I don't know why it wasn't
can-
letting me use my fancy resizer.
Message got blocked
Dude,
by
this looks really
AutoMod.
sick.
I see your message. Your fucking Unity, but spelled really weird.
It made an error message pop up on my
Holy shit, dude.
OBS.
This man has like the worst computer known to man or something, apparently. Why is this?
Is this errors? Why is it telling me what errors you have? I like the menu buttons.
My, what big errors
That-
you have.
Dude, that feels nice. I like the sound. It's an alpha build. Okay. That's fair.
Oh shit. Okay, I see.
Volume seems good.
Local.
Only thing I would say is, I would start all the volumes at like 80%. Just so like if it's really quiet for some people, you can turn it up. That's like the tiniest little thing. Can you click on the... Another thing is if you have a logo that like bounces around, you have to be able to click on it and make it like do a little flip. You 100% don't have to do that, but I always try to do that whenever there's a game with like a logo that floats around.
Yeah, we definitely are not doing that on our menu currently.
We aren't.
Unfortunately. We might. Probably will. I don't understand. Wait. Okay, so I might actually like say something about this and be like, hey, I might just not support this room right now. I don't know why it's broken, and I don't feel like fixing it. Because it looks like it, unless there were there other rooms that it was fucked up in, or was it just this one?
It seems like it might be like some of them when he can't get to you, he does some weird things, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, so what I've told it to do whenever it can't get to you is to go into like a, oh, hello, big numbers. So I'll just go into this room and I'll show you. So I've just made it so that whenever he can't get to you, he kind of just wanders around. He's not wandering around. Why is he just standing there? You can't get to me. What the fuck? Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Why is this... Town navigation agent. Is path valid?
So far, the art's really good. The only thing that I'm going to complain about that some people might kill me for is there are some mixels in here.
Brother.
And I'm not a big fan.
Brother.
As long as it like these particles are fine. These little locks aren't too bad. Really, the main thing is just when it's like really obvious, or they're like really small. Like I'm not like gonna complain. Like it looks nice, so I mean I'm complaining.
What?
And also, as a just regular gamer, nobody's gonna really care. It's just because I'm an artist, I'm gonna like
because he's weird.
Complain about it. Yeah. They do look very clickable.
I don't understand why he's not moving. Why is he moving? Or why is he not moving? Oh, I'm so stupid.
Has some broken VFX.
Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm actually gonna revert all of this code, I think.
One thing I will say is that the sound for clicking it, I'm not the biggest fan of. Especially if you click it like really fast, it gets very like whooshy. It's not like awful, it's not unbearable. I just feel like it could be a little bit like snappier.
It's crazy. JW's like, yeah, I hate your game. Fuck you.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
That's like exactly what he said, yeah. Yeah, no, this is actually like grossly bad. I don't know why my code is breaking like that, but I'm gonna revert it. That's okay.
How do I go back? Oh, I can zoom.
Oh, that's fire.
That is kind of cool.
I fucking love zooming around.
Can I like? Oh, I see. I was expecting to left click to pan, but like this works too.
I keep looking over and I keep seeing that message that just says, "What's your preference in women?" And I think that's so fucking funny.
I don't know if you could try to find something else. Tried about 10. This one's the only one that I didn't want to silence it for. Yeah, that's fair. One thing I would recommend is if you have room on your computer, the GDC sound, they have a free sound pack every year that they release, and they've done it for like 10 years or something. So there's just like 100 gigabytes of just random sounds, and that's what I use for random stuff, like just all my sounds. It's really nice. Here, I can literally find it and send it so you don't have to go searching for it. GDC bundle. That's it. Yes, here it is. Yeah, and sometimes you'll have to like mix. A lot of times I'll have to mix sounds together and things like that. But another thing I've learned is that a lot of times you'll find sounds that are like labeled as one thing, but it works perfectly for something else. Like for the spray bottle sound, I used a mixture of like just a regular spray bottle, and then there was like a snowball hitting a wall or something like that I mixed with it, and it just sounded really nice and crunchy. Why does this one cost 291.60? Why is there a decimal?
Yeah, that's kind of fire. I fuck with that.
Kind of funny. Oh no, now I have a decimal number of orbs. Because rounding is boring. Maybe we should like... We should make the player's health a float, even though it's not... Even though it's like in chunks, you know? How much do you cost? 12,000.
Did you know that Super Mario 64 health bar is actually a lot more than just 8? Also, hello Cosmic.
I do like the
Mario has like
how it's kind of like a map that you can like scroll around. At first I thought it was just gonna be this one room, but then I was like, whoa, there's other stuff that you can do.
Why is Ant just sending like random ass symbols in your chat? Why is he summoning a fucking demon over there? And we have shared chat on. If you could not share demons in the chat until after I turn that off, thank you.
Goofy disappeared, so I can drag this guy around. Ooh, this is fun. I like being able to drag him around. There we go.
Oh shit, dude.
I want to be able to like drop him from up here. Oh.
Uh-oh.
He doesn't get assigned if I drop him. Ooh, shiny orb.
Orb.
I'm a big fan of the shiny orb.
The shorb. Yeah, like he can't pass line to me, so he's not gonna. Okay, fair. Let's see. Wander, ground wander. LF.
Do you post?
Game.
1,000. Also, hello, Cosmic Sandwich.
Mr. Sandwich. Okay, does that work? So now, even though he can't pass to me, he should like... Yeah, he goes to attack anyways. Sick. Cool. Okay, yeah, we're gonna probably leave that there, I think. Because he can't pathfind the player in this room, because this one specific room is fucked up somehow. I don't know how. I don't get it. I don't think I'm going to fix it.
One little thing is this. Oops, sorry.
No, you're good.
The sound that this guy makes when he like pops in and disappears is a little bit louder than all the other sounds. So it's kind of a jump scare. That's just like the tiniest little thing.
Taking the rest
Like
of the day
that
off
sound
since
right
it's
there.
1 a.m. Oh. Why are we awake at 1 a.m.? That's so gross. I would never do that.
Is one of the newest sounds added to answer.
Oh, actually, JW, I think I did something that you'll like. Let me kill this guy really quickly. God, that gun is so fucking loud.
Which one?
The op.
It's not.
It is really loud.
Is it really that loud? I don't know.
It was really loud. Like compared to, let's see.
Oh, I forgot I have to drag this guy over.
I'll do pistol, and then I'll swap over to op. But op was, maybe it's just my ears right now. But no, it's like a decent bit louder than the other sounds. I feel like. But one thing that I did, was this. So if I had a bunch of dummies in, the shot goes through and will continue to hit the wall. You talked about that.
Oh wait, what? Sorry, I'm busy clicking the orb.
It goes through and it continues, even if it only hits the...
Oh, that's much nicer, yeah.
Yeah. And that works also... Do we have another hit scan weapon?
No.
The laser pointer, technically.
Laser.
Yeah, let me add some piercing stickers to it. Yeah. I added way too many for that. Whatever. I believe it would work on this one, though. I believe this... Yeah, so this will continue going through. The laser pointer looks a little weird. Oh.
Got accepted in Next Fest February. Tough.
Maybe that doesn't work as well as I thought it did. It's unfortunate. Whatever.
I think I'm in Next Fest. I hit the button that...
I think I'm in
Next
Fest.
me to it, theoretically.
Well, we're not accepted. We're applied to. Like, we're signed up for it.
You have to get, like, accepted. I think it was just, like, you just... Yeah, okay.
Oh, did you change the color of Legendary to rare? Or to red?
Oh, yeah, to red, yeah, because I didn't like the gold.
Yeah.
It looked way too much like the white.
Fair enough. No, it looks good. I just didn't... I was like, uh-oh. Did I break something
somehow? I forgot I did that. I was literally just like, I want to change this color. You're just on a random day.
Okay. Let's do... Alright, I want to do some cool stuff instead of working on this navigation again, because I can always work on that off stream. So let's take a look at our list. What do we want right now? Of these, how much have you taken care of so far?
I got the
spray bottle.
Those 2 cards there, yeah.
Okay.
And
shielding
summon, which is the rocks. Yeah.
That's okay. Mark's Dino get the high spell.
I wanted to
minus that. Okay.
I wanted to do the cards today. That's what was my plan, was to finish those up.
Are there any of these that you think of that you would not know how to do?
The marking the enemy and the enemies in a certain radius take extra damage. The main thing is I just need to figure out how to change the values of like the enemies like health or like damage, like connecting into the damage taken on the enemies. I think you do that somewhere.
Yeah.
I could probably just reference, but
yeah, Cursed Skull does that. Like the double damage one. Although that would be more...
So I could probably just look at that and figure out generally how you do it.
Oh wait, am I... Hold on. Health component. Are you doing this?
It was actually like kind of sick.
I think this is right where...
I'm usually not a fan of quicker games, so like...
Changed a bit. Damage received, yeah. Yeah, there's a damage received event on the event router. That you could hook into, and you can modify it. The slime also does that. I
think there's a missing frame on this animation. Yeah, maybe.
Slime. See in.
There is, okay. Just want to make sure. I love the expanding rooms. It's so cool. Then it's not like always the same thing.
Did this thing
just buy all of these? I'm rich. I guess I was supposed to buy that earlier, probably.
Oh yeah, here we go.
It's
GW.
like pretty much the only clicker games I've played. It's like you have one thing you click and then like one menu that you open to unlock things. Even just like having different rooms and stuff. It's kind of fun.
Yeah. JW, can you take a look real quick?
Yeah, I'm looking.
So there's this thing for the slime. Whenever he goes into shield break, he gets this node attached to him. And it just hooks into the damage received event and then limits it to 3 damage.
Okay.
So you can do something like
so
that.
That's basically what I need to do for pretty much both of those are going to do the same thing.
Yeah.
It hooks into the...
Yeah, the only difference is, like, I guess this thing would also keep, like, a reference to, like, the source of, like, whatever caused it. And then, you know, you could do, like, if source global position distance, you know, distance to, you know, whatever the fucking this thing is.
Yeah.
You know, you could check if that's less than 100. Then you can multiply it by 3. You know, something like that. So yeah, it would be...
Certainly getting there. I'm putting 8 hours a day on stream.
Ew. We put in like 3 hours 3 times a week. We put in like... We put in 8 hours a week. Yeah. No, that's not true. I do stuff outside of stream, but...
It depends on the week, but...
Depends on the week,
usually a little bit more. We try.
Depends on if Lorena's out right now or not. Okay. So of these cards, you think you've got those mostly taken care of? Stickers?
Stickers?
You're saying probably not something that... This is probably going to be a me thing, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Okay, I'll just put like a dash next to the things I'm going to be doing then.
Yeah. I would just say try to do the simplest ones first. Because as I said, I mean, obviously, I'm not the one doing them. So I don't know exactly the best way to implement them. But from the ideas that I wrote down, I tried to pick mostly pretty simple ones. So hopefully they should not be too hard. And I can do art for all of those.
Yeah, I mean, I'm mainly asking like which ones do you want to do? So I'm not like if I went from like the top of the list to the bottom of the list, I'd knock out the cards first, and then like these are the things you wanted to do.
Yeah.
So
for relics.
These relics.
I'm just trying to see if there's any.
This one I'll do. This one I'll do.
Yeah.
This one. Probably that one as well. Honestly, okay. Don't even touch the relics.
Yeah.
It's fine. Okay, let's start with these then.
As I said, most of the relics are like they're
accuracy.
pretty simple, but they're doing stuff with like cards and stickers and things like that, which you've written most of, so like you know where all that stuff is.
Yeah.
So I would have to like go in and look through all that. So. And if they are more complicated, then I'm thinking they are no worries if you don't get like a bunch of them tonight.
Yeah. Question for the decreased accuracy but increases damage. Let's say that we have well, never mind, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Do we even have a damage property? We don't. That's funny. I'll add both of those.
There should also be a sound when you pick up the experience orbs. Oh, skill tree. Yeah, I forgot that's a thing. I feel like the skill tree should be a little bit bigger. I kind of forgot that it existed. Maybe that's just a me issue.
Oh, we're using size property right now, which is a fucking problem.
It'll be much more interesting when I get around to it. Yeah, that's fair. I understand it's in progress. It's not like yeah.
Does size property work right now? Like, have you noticed any weird issues with size property?
Nope.
That's funny. Because size property is using the wrong stuff.
Is it? What do you mean it's using the wrong stuff?
Because the other ones are like base properties, so they have like the multipliers and additive stuff on it.
Oh.
The size property is just a class that has a size variable on it. That's it.
Oh.
Which is fine because we haven't done anything with size yet. But whenever we do, it's gonna need a thing, which is fine.
What does the level do? Am I like dumb?
I'm assuming maybe it increases the amount of worshippers you can have, perhaps.
No, that's like a separate upgrade. I don't think you can upgrade in like all places.
I spend like 8 hours in VC sometimes. Most times, yeah.
Oh, all my windows just
Windows.
Windows. I don't know what happened.
Is that the game or is that your computer?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It has a little frowny face in the top left corner.
Oh, it does.
I'm not flashbanging you.
Flashbang on my eyes. That's funny.
Dog, this is your game.
Yeah, this is your game. You coded that.
Your fault. Wait,
what?
Go?
Oh, was there a mention of the engine, by the way? Was it actually Unity or was it?
It is. Oh, sorry for the
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I was just trying to. It didn't like minimize properly. Yeah, I guess just cooked. I don't know what happened.
Damn.
Well, I guess
does
I
it
have
save,
to work on my game.
Does it save like local data? Like if you were to close it and reopen it, would it keep the information or not? Should do.
Yeah, that's fine.
I gotta try it.
Sometime.
Yeah, give it a shot.
Well, then see. Here's the link.
Just like go to your browser and hit like Control-Shift-N.
Nope, that's the thing that I sent. Oh, I know why it was working weird is because when I open it in here,
They resent the link. Oh, you found it. Whatever.
It opens in like a different browser, or like I think it opens in like a OBS browser.
Oh, were you playing it in a fucking OBS dock?
Yeah, I think so.
That's funny. That's pretty
just
funny.
Open it in like a normal window. That's why I wasn't able to like resize it properly. There we go. Oh look, I have 2 notifications on Itch. I haven't opened Itch in like forever. Okay, let's see if it loads. Oop, I didn't want full screen. Is there a way to make it like kind of full screen, but not like full screen?
Do we have designs for these? Like what we want them to be? Decreased accuracy, increases damage.
No, I have not thought of those, but
okay. That's okay.
Yeah, you can just make them one of the placeholder things. I will make art for them. Pin we do have.
Oh, I've just thought about something. This.
Oh wait, the window size is. I think I broke something. Well, is it because it's not full screen? It doesn't like that. Let's see.
Sorry, I just got here. Why did someone ask you what your preference in women was? Don't worry. I'm thinking that I'm like, why the fuck was that the question? But it's pretty funny. Apparently, JW said that their message beforehand was asking what my preference in men was, but they deleted it. So.
Yeah, it looks like it might not save.
Oh, it saves. That's funny.
Because it was
it's cached to
browser.
It's cached to browsers.
I don't know what happened to the full screen. I think it was because I set it to full screen and then unset it to full screen. Yeah, it didn't save. Rip.
I wonder if Godot saves between browsers. I actually don't know. I don't know if they. I'd imagine it has the right to browser local storage. So probably not.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. I'm trying to think. Really, the only thing that I didn't like was the mixels.
Listen to this.
Is probably a good thing because that's like the littlest problem ever. Like it's such a non-issue.
I hate myself.
It could definitely use like a little bit more juice, but like there's nothing that's like, oh, this is bad.
I need to add a new class. Stats.
I really like the kind of like interactability of like opening up rooms and like dragging guys around. 40 days though, I'm happy. That's really good for 40 days. I didn't realize it was that short. Okay. So now I need to work. I have 10 years of dev experience. Okay. I have like 2.
Let me just copy all this for a second.
Bitlytic has like 1.
What?
Yeah, like
yeah. I've never dev. This is my first project I've ever worked on.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If you're playing way past the point I should be asleep, well, have a good night. It was very fun.
Mm. Can I do this? This feels wrong.
Bro got a orb Twitch emote.
Maybe this is fine.
The tuna. We need a Dante Twitch emote.
Is anyone a partner on Twitch that wants to? Do you want to give up one of your sticker slots on Twitch so that we can have a Dante's emote? We'll subscribe to you, so we can use it.
You know, I could just like, I don't know.
You could go affiliate mode. You could.
Yeah. I could.
It's your call. I'm not taking ad breaks though.
Wow, this guy hates me.
Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah. Type shit. Okay. All right. That's enough out of you.
JW's so close to Twitch partner though. This is so true. Oh, I should resume my music now that I'm not playing a game. You know what I'm saying? Win. Okay, so I made the blank. Now I need to mark the enemy with highest health. How are we gonna do this? I'm just gonna call this enemy mark.
Does this work the way I want it to? Let's find out. What is this? This sticker doesn't like have like a design to it yet, does it?
Oh, which one?
Like any of these? I mean, I guess like pin does, but like
the pin does. Yeah, the others don't.
Okay.
You can just use one of the like placeholder ones that we have.
I'll just call it like Berserk sticker for now or some shit, and we'll find out what that does later.
For now.
Yeah. It's gonna be changed eventually. No, it's gonna be changed. Surely.
Yeah, surely. The energy drink card is still called card speed.
Shut it, you. They don't need to know that. No, dude, I won't save the script that doesn't actually exist. Goodbye, Godot. Welcome back, Godot. Welcome back, settling here.
Who?
Ow. Also, there was a Master Liberty was somewhere in chat, and I kind of missed him.
Oh, hi, Master Liberty.
Why did you say it like that?
Can you add Titanfall 2 movement to Dante's line, please? Thank you.
That's so insane that you were like, hello, Master Liberty. Hi.
What's the easiest way to get all the enemies in the room? I mean, I guess I could just be like, level manager room,
What the fuck are you saying?
and, get,
What
I
the
don't
fuck
know.
are you saying? Just stop making noises and just like talk.
Sorry. Sorry.
All right. So what's your query?
How
What's up?
how do I get all the enemies in a room? Um,
In a room or just in general?
yeah.
Well, you want all the enemies that
Uh,
are currently in the tree, I would imagine,
yes.
right?
Oh yeah, but like in the
So
current room, because like what
yeah,
if
the
there's
current room is
enemies
the
in the tree
tree.
that aren't in the
Well,
current
then
room?
they wouldn't. I don't know if you know how the
Oh
tree
wait,
works in Godot.
yeah, I might be stupid.
It's
I know how the
okay.
tree works. Wait, get what
Yeah,
get
get
op,
tree. Get
get
tree.
tree.
Mm-hmm.
Get nodes in group.
Oh shit.
I got it. Enemy. Let's go. I did it.
Wow. That's kind of
Let's
sick,
just
dude.
print them out to make sure it's working.
Sorry. My fault.
Oh,
I didn't mean to.
okay.
I did mean to, by the way.
To win.
Compound. Stat sticker.
And then we will queue free.
Oh.
We don't need you anymore.
Sorry, what?
Also, hello, Meowj.
I don't understand.
What is that cat emote from? I want it. Oh, I guess I have to make a resource before I can open it, you know? Win. It's a hype train emote. Oh, stuff.
I don't know why this does this. I actually have no fucking clue. I think it's because I'm doing this weird shit where I have it here as like a sub resource. I'm just gonna not do that. Man.
What is this card? I don't know what I'm going to call it or what it's gonna look like, to be honest. What does that card do? It will mark the enemy with the highest health in the room, and they'll take extra damage.
This is true. Wait, does it not have... Oh no, sorry. Card sticker. All of this can go in there. Why is this being property not source upgrade? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fine. This technically doesn't need to be this. This can be source, which is just any kind of object, I think. And this can be target.
Thinking.
Just any
What
kind of
would
object.
this card be? Oh, okay, we're calling it Mark.
Oh no. Oh, I just thought about something. You don't know how cats work, do you? Do you know what
like an engine, right?
Yeah, do you know what spraying is?
Like spray bottle?
Nope.
No?
So cats like to mark their territory. And specifically male cats do it a lot by spraying, which is technically Dante could be doing that, I guess.
No.
I'm just saying, like, there are people in your Discord that have asked for that.
What do you mean? Where?
What the fuck is the person whose name in your Discord is #1 P enjoyer?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, you forgot about that one. Just
Wasn't that Axel?
Is it Axel? It might be
Pretty sure
Axel.
it
Yeah.
is.
Is
I
it?
think they changed it.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure, but I think because they have their speedrun time now.
I see. Like, I don't know why this has a custom fucking thing on it. I don't know how you ever got your own custom script, but whatever, I guess. This doesn't... Okay, are we good? Does everything work? I'm gonna reload the project and have 8,000 errors? Probably.
500 errors.
500 errors. Alright, so if I were to look at this, do you have your own extra script? You do. Get the fuck out of here, dude. You're ruining the vibe, and it's pissing me off. Compound, stat sticker, berserk sticker. Do you have... Yes, if I hit add upgrade. Yay! Okay, cool. I wish I could change the way that this serializes. JW, I want your input on this. Let me know when you're looking.
I'm looking.
So normally, whenever we have an upgrade to something like attack speed, we have the attack speed property, the type of multiplicative additive, and then the amount. So for this sticker, this one is doing two things. It's changing the accuracy and it's changing the damage. So my thoughts were, sorry, there's a cat in my lap now. Hold on. Hello, Callie. So this needs to change two properties, correct?
Mm-hmm.
My thoughts were to create a version of the upgrade class that is able to do multiple upgrades at once. Thoughts, prayers?
Yeah, that works. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't see why that...
Because I can either do it... there's a couple ways that I can do it. So I can either do like this, where whenever you want to add one, you just click like add upgrade and it tosses a new thing. Or it can be like a dictionary that maps the property... what is it? Base property to...
I think the first one's fine.
Okay, because I can also do that where... Oh, that's not... Whatever.
I don't think it really matters either way, but...
Not really.
The
It's...
first one sounds like it works, so...
Okay. I just wanted to make sure, just in case you had any strong feelings about whatever.
Nope.
Okay. Sick.
The first thing that I was thinking was that you just make like a custom script for it, but like...
No, because I imagine we're going to have a few different stickers that are going to be increase this, decrease that, increase this, decrease that, and so on. What tool is that for the roadmap? This is Obsidian we are using. Big fan of Obsidian. Sorry, what were we? Damage, property, and God, what was the other one? Accuracy.
Why is this not working? It's not printing out any enemies.
What are you doing? Did you give the card the scene?
I think so. Yeah. I did.
Should print out just in general. Like, oh, because it's a capital E because it's case sensitive. Yeah, that's why I don't like
why
using
is it capital
that much.
E?
Just because, yeah.
me asking why it's capital E, knowing I'm the one who made it.
Yeah, you definitely did. I might actually, now that you've mentioned, now that I've seen that, I might just make like a helper method instead of like level manager to get the list of current enemies. That way I can automatically convert them to enemy base as well. That way you don't have to do any of the checking or whatever. Do you know the kind of idea of like how much we want to change this by the way? Like, what do you think? Well, I guess, what would be decreased accuracy? Like, what are we... What is this exactly? Like what would the value be?
It decreases the accuracy.
Yeah, like, okay. So we can quantize damage. If we say multiplicative upgrade and it's 2, that means we get 2 times the damage. But for accuracy, what's the value? Like, so what is 2 times, or like, what is half accuracy?
You would just increase the half accuracy, would be you just double the spread.
Do we want it to affect something that has no spread?
Yes.
Okay, and what would we do then?
That's a good question. I would just make it like 5 or 10 or something.
I'm also trying to think about like what would the accuracy... I'm also thinking about like what would this value represent, because we can either do it where higher value means it's more accurate, or higher value means there's more variation. And I don't know which one makes more sense.
I think higher value means more variation. So like 1 would be like normal accuracy, 2 would be half accuracy.
Okay. So it's like reversal then. So if you wanted something to be more accurate, you would add an accuracy property instead of to like 0.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
I don't know. I feel like you could make it either way. So that doesn't matter.
It does, but yeah.
Either way, I'm going to get confused on which one it is.
Yeah. I just thought about something that's not evil, but it's actually like kind of cool. Is for upgrades like this, like these properties, I could actually add like a way to have a description for them, and then display those in the editor, so that if we want to know what a property does, we can look at a glance. I might add that at some point. I'm actually going to toss it to do here. So it's to add a description. Displays. Cool. Color? What is color for? I don't remember what this is for.
That's for the text colors.
Yeah. It's gonna be a red.
Wait. I don't know how this works.
What are you trying to do? Which part?
Skull thing. I just copied the skull thing and I'm trying to figure out.
Don't copy the skull thing. Copy the...
Oh, okay. Oh, right. The slime.
Yeah, the slime is like way simpler because you're attaching it to something, right?
Yeah. And what is it? Slime?
Shield break handler, I think it is. Or, sorry, damage reduction is the actual script that's being attached. Shield break attaches damage reduction. Yeah, so most of that, I mean, you won't need like the target stuff because you can choose like source or whatever the fuck we have in card abilities.
Oh, so wait, so this is what would get attached to the enemy itself.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to make a new scene for this one. I mean, I guess I could put them both in the same thing and have it reparented to the enemy, but no.
Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, and then you can also, for getting the health, by the way, whenever you're looping through the enemies, you can get the health component of each one and check against their health or max health or whatever you want to do.
I don't know, what do I call this? Enemy mark?
Just enemy, like, yeah, enemy mark, honestly, is fine.
Well, the other one's called enemy mark.
Oh, I don't know, man. I wouldn't call it a component. Component's more of like a, whenever you're building something out.
Mark ability. And then we'll rename you.
That's funny. Rendering default criteria is default. What is this? What I guess this is anything, right? This is any weapon. Well, no, this wouldn't be any weapon. This would be specifically ranged weapons. And drone and hit scan.
Yeah. I guess throne would count, maybe.
I wonder if... Oh, no, that's not going to card, actually. Card...
Sorry.
Oh my god, how am I doing this? God, my brain is like not working right now. Card instance.
Yeah, the thing is... Yeah, okay, never mind, I'll let you figure it out. You got this.
Damage. Okay, yes, this is doing some shit. What I'll do is I'll see damage. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Why are you pissed? Oh yeah, I know why you're pissed. Because of this. The output damage. Because I like rounding things up. And here I'll also do... Well... No. That's based on specific things like the gun ability. Or... Where's spread happening? Spread happening inside of this? Offset angle. Yeah, okay, it is. Offset angle, shot direction is that.
Yeah, that spread's weird. You also have to do it on the auto turret as well. Good about that one.
Oh yeah.
Since it uses a different accuracy thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where did I save this?
Oh, variance. Angle variance? What the fuck is angle? Oh, this is the card property, I see. Bird.
Oh, you wrote it.
Yeah, dude. Like, before I wrote other things. I've slept since I fucking wrote this code, dude. It's been too long.
Mm-hmm. Quinn.
I wonder if that'll work. That might just work. Which would be kind of cool. Go ahead and add, what's something with not a lot of spread? I think the pistol starts with pretty low spread. Yeah. Oops. I do think that we have a very important thing that we're going to have to bring up at some point, which is the fact that we are using Boy Kisser as a placeholder texture way too much.
I mean, that's just...
Oh, shit. Wait, that fucking worked without me even... I didn't mean for that part to work. I forgot about the automatic updating of, like, the text and shit. That's actually crazy. Oh, shit. He's large. Oh, you like applying upgrades, don't you? Oh, there's a lot of him now. Yeah, that looks like that works to me. I don't know how much damage this card does.
I love how the card looks exactly the same. It's pretty much just black and white.
Why is it 70?
What?
Oh, because this is a pistol and this one is a rusty pistol, I see.
Yeah.
Flip that. Oh, you like applying upgrades, don't you?
No, don't put that.
I'm gonna show this to JW's parents and they're gonna be like, you're not allowed to work on Dante's 9 anymore. And give him a little mustache.
Mustache.
Oh shit, no, it got filled in. He no longer has a mustache. Fuck, it's like he shaved one side of it. Cool, okay. And then let's see, does this actually work? So like console.print initial spread rad to dig spread radians and then changed spread. So it starts at an 8-degree variation and then it goes up to 16. So it is half as bad, which is fine, I think. Yeah, that looks right to me. Yay! Okay, cool, that works. And then this one's fun because it goes from an initial spread of 5 to a spread of whatever that number is. With a lot of digits, like a quadrillion or something. Definitely more than that. The big boy kisser. JW, do you have me on your screen right now?
Yes.
Ah, okay. I see.
I do now.
Oh, I didn't know if you meant to or not, because Meowj just said big boy kisser, which made it sound like my stream was the one on your screen.
Oh. No, I don't know.
Okay. Meowj just knew. Honestly. Fair. You could just feel it.
You had it up. I mean, yeah, I did, like, for, like, a couple seconds earlier.
Ah, okay.
It was, like, a while earlier, though.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just, like, a little slow.
Yeah, thank you for connecting the... No, I understand what Meowj is saying. Thank you for connecting the thoughts. Meowj, JW didn't. Because JW also could have just said, oh, I had it up earlier when I was showing. Let's see. So that sticker is done. Minus the art. Pin. This one's going to be an interesting one. So, let's say that someone has more than one... Okay, so if someone has 5 cards with pin, do we want to... We have 2 ways of doing this. We can either deal all 5 of them, or we can deal as many cards up to that hand size, and then the next pin card will be the next card drawn. Which one do we want to do?
Not sure. I feel like it should just draw all of them, but maybe that's a little insane.
We can try both.
But I feel like that would be a really fun build to do, where you just have pins on all your cards and you just draw all of them at once.
Oh, dude! Wait, no, it's the fucking the steel card, the Baron high card steel Balatro run, where we're gonna have a sticker that pins a card, and we're gonna have a sticker that makes it so if you have the card in your hand, you have extra damage, and then everyone's gonna run
you do,
pin
like, extra damage for every card in your hand.
Yeah, like pin and stacking damage, and then they just like walk up to things and smack them with the default attack, and it does like 1,000 damage. All right, yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, I guess we have to do that then.
Yeah, we gotta. Goodbye, Callie. Yeah, I said goodbye, Callie. Oh my god, my legs hurt now. Large cat. Not fat, but large.
Did you add a damage property, or do we still not have a damage property?
A damage property.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a multiplier?
It is a multiplier, yes.
Okay, sick.
Is that what we want?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I wanted to use the damage multiplier for other things than just, like, changing the damage.
Mm-hmm.
Like, for example, on this, I would want to have it change, potentially, have it change the multiplier.
Oh, well, what?
So, like, the enemy mark would deal, like,
Oh,
1.5
okay, I
times
see what you're
damage,
saying.
and then
yeah,
you would deal 20% more of 1.5 times damage if you added a damage sticker.
Yeah, so that actually doesn't... let me think. Hold on.
I mean, for that, we just have to write a custom thing to multiply the damage multiplier by the
Yeah,
property.
So you asked if it was a multiply, like if the damage was multiplier. That is like for weapons. If you're writing a custom thing, it can be anything. Like if you wanted it to be so that it adds whatever the number is, it could just do that.
Yes, as long as there's like a damage multiplier that I can get, that's fine.
Yeah, I mean there's
like a
always
damage property. That's just what I wanted to check because I didn't know if we had them.
Yeah, I do have the set to additives so that if you were to add like 4 of these, it would only increase the damage by 80% rather than increasing it by 20% and then increasing that increased amount by 20% and so on. So it doesn't like scale all the way up to infinity. But I don't know if we.
Okay.
Holy shit! Cosmic Sandwich Cat just followed JW.
Cosmic Sandwich Cat has followed me.
Finally.
Whoa, I'm like
No.
famous.
Damn, bro.
Fortnite.
That's crazy. It took you that long to follow JW? I really don't blame you.
That's crazy.
Meow just said thank you for the follow. Bro's running the stream. Honestly, kind of based.
Why is there a clip in my Discord server?
Yeah, is it about
Why'd
the
you
boy
send a
kisser?
clip of Biddy's stream in my Discord server?
Fire.
You gotta put it in Biddy's server. Put that straight into general.
Don't put that in my server. There's
put it in general.
No,
in
there's
general.
evil people in my server.
I'm posting it in general. I'm posting it in general.
No, there's evil people in my server. Don't do that.
Too late. I already sent it. Don't worry.
Evil. For the.
Okay, fine. Cosmic. I'll delete it so you can send it. So you can have the privilege of sending it. Great. There you go.
I'm thinking about how I want to do this. Because I. Because like if I wanted to be like cheese as fuck, I could just like have a pin property, and even though it's gonna have a multiplier, I could just check if it exists, and if it doesn't, then it doesn't. But like that feels wrong, you know? Although, wait, no, we have modifiers, don't we? Hold on. Do cards still have modifiers? Do these still work, actually? That's the next question I should ask. Holy fuck, they still have modifiers. Do these work?
What have modifiers?
Cards. Oh my god. Wait, these might actually...
They what?
They don't do anything, do they? No, they fucking do. I forgot I added that. Holy shit. Wait. Hold on. What are you?
What is bro doing?
Hey, you're a card modifier. Wait a minute. Yeah. What the fuck? These are like doing almost the exact same thing. Why are they not? Whatever, dude. I don't. Oh no, this is. Sure. I don't care enough. Armada modifier. If this is that. Script. Script is GD script. Oh, I know. Yeah, this was before I figured out how we wanted to do components. I remember this. Yeah. I think now I would rather write this as something a little different. Yeah. Whatever. I don't feel like rewriting that. You're gonna stay there.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah. I can definitely write this better, right? Like,
Yeah, you can definitely write that better.
yeah,
Twin.
yeah. Default and instance has modifier type, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, did you use GD Quest to learn GD script from zero? I did not.
I did.
I've heard a lot of good things about it. Okay, ask him about it. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I just knew other programming languages, and kind of used that knowledge.
I tried it, and it was helpful, and then I learned Python, and then I figured it out from that. Okay, so this works, but it's not dealing double damage. Why is it not dealing double damage?
What's that?
The enemy mark itself.
Oh, if you're... Are you still streaming? You are. It's like... fucked up and evil, though. Your stream is like hella laggy on my end.
Oh, weird. Okay, well it could be...
Oh. Yeah, I see why it's not doing double damage.
Why?
So what is your damage received? What is it doing?
This is multiplying by the damage mult.
Okay, and the damage mult is...
It's 2, because I'm setting it in here.
Okay, I'm gonna have to wait for it to... Okay,
Mark.damage mult is equal to damage mult, which is a card property, which is set to 2.
Okay. You should print that out when you set up your...
It's...
What's up?
It shouldn't... wait, no. Never mind.
I don't know. Your stream is like very, like it takes a few seconds for it to hit on my...
restart it and see if that helps, but...
Yeah, I think it might be a it might just be like an internet issue, to be honest.
It probably is. But yeah, I don't know why it's not.
Yeah, I mean, I would go into the... Let's see what the value is. Like, go into the script and then print out like what damage received. Do like console.print like damage mult.
I hate printing things.
You love the Dante's 9 demo? Thanks. We're hoping to make it better before it needs to be released.
Yeah.
You're learning C# now, trying to do GE script because you like Go, but the C# version is so confusing. The C# version's fine. I hate the extra build time, to be honest. That's like my main issue. Every time I press run, it takes like a few extra seconds for it to build the environment or whatever.
Can't see. Okay, cool. It's not actually doing anything.
Did you...
I'm hitting him and nothing's running.
You're hitting him. You know what there's a decent chance of, actually?
What?
There is a very large chance of that, actually. Enemies don't have event routers.
Oh, why didn't you say that before?
Because I forgot about that, and it's fine. We can just add that. You can just, if you don't mind, you can just go to each of the enemy classes and add event router. As just
How do
like
I do that?
Go to the enemy class or like the enemy scene or whatever, and then Control A event router, enter, and then so on and so forth. Or we could add it as part. Yeah, or we could add it as the base enemy class and have it just automatically add one, but that might not be that bad.
Okay.
Maybe, I don't know.
I'm gonna copy paste it so it's easy.
Yeah, fair enough.
Nice to go to all the enemies.
Fuck, what am I doing? Oh my god, I feel like I just blacked out and woke back up. What the hell am I doing?
What the hell?
What the Helion.
It shouldn't. Should it work on the boss? I just realized.
Hmm?
I guess it depends on if the boss is technically in the enemy group.
He is in the enemy group, yeah.
No, that's gonna be fun.
How do we work on the same project together? We do Git, which allows us to, I guess I can show this because it stores like the changes that you make across different files. Like you can see this is what the file looked like, and then here's the new code that I added. And we can commit that up, which just says, you know, add this code. And then we can push it so that the other person can then pull that change on their side. And this also handles, as you can see, sounds non-code files, you know, even though TSCN files are kind of code. Binary files and, you know, whatever else you need. So it's not like a real-time thing, but it's collaboration. Oh my god, I'm moving weird right now.
I'm putting it on a dummy because the dummies don't have enough things that actually work. Actually, that won't work because they're not in the enemy group, but you know, whatever, I don't care. I'm still putting it on a dummy.
Okay. Looks hard to set up. It's not. It's mainly... the main thing that's annoying is learning it for the first time, and then after you learn it, it kind of becomes a lot more of like second nature.
This is true.
Because it is something that you just use throughout, like this isn't like a specific to Godot thing. This is something for everywhere. And also this is just Visual Studio Code, which is the Git client I use. Could you pull up GitHub Desktop actually, whenever you get a moment? Okay. There we go. So this is what he uses. This is over on his screen right now.
It's so easy. I type in my thing here, and then I push this button, and that's literally all I do.
Yeah. Ignore the fact that his stream is refreshing at like once a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, ignore that one.
Yeah. What is this?
The worm desperately needs to be remade.
Which worm? Oh, the enemy worm?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Sorry.
It also bothers me how he doesn't take knockback. Which I guess kind of makes sense, but...
I'm creating a new node. Sorry. Oopsies. Oh, not a new script. Oh my god, dude. I don't know what I'm doing. Do you know about which class you're supposed to be? You don't. Okay, sick. That's all I needed to know.
But yeah, now that I'm thinking about it, how is that enemy mark gonna work with the boss? Is it just gonna always be on the boss? Because now I'm thinking maybe it should be time-based, so it only lasts for a period of time.
Oh, you know what? That's gonna be a fun one as well.
Like what? There we go. See, look, he's taking double damage now.
Yeah, I can definitely see that. So is there going to be some sort of display on it that shows that it's going to take double damage? Like that it's...
Yeah, there's going to be like a little marker. As you can see, there's a little marker on him right now. It's just a placeholder.
I cannot see it, actually.
Okay.
Because your stream is every few seconds. Like, the time right now is 23 seconds on the speedrun timer for me.
Yeah, that's fair. Let's just, let's not do
Oh,
that.
your game crashed. I didn't realize that.
Yeah, because it was trying to add the worm. But I had casted it to a enemy base, but the worm isn't actually an enemy base, so...
This is true.
I'm not going to cast it to an enemy base.
Yeah, you can just... I mean, it doesn't need to be an enemy base. You can just grab...
Yeah.
You can pluck the health component off of it.
Yeah.
What am I doing here? I'm like sitting here doing nothing. What are you? Where are you? Who are you? Is this a resource that actually exists anywhere? Stickers, attack speed, berserk, bounce. I feel like I added and created a sticker, but it's just not. Whatever, dude.
What do you mean invalid access to prop? Ew.
You're not null checking, are you?
I am, but like...
No, you're not.
Am I not?
Well, you're doing a...
Oh.
You're doing it. You're doing the util get component highest health component, but if it doesn't have a health component, it's gonna fail when you do dot health.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what do I do about this?
What do you mean? What do you do about it? So you pull out the health component to a variable, and then do if health, and then if it doesn't have a health, then you don't include it.
Yeah.
Tempuricat, is everything that GD Quest teaches you GD script can be directly applied to a Go project? Just
most of it. I've only done like I haven't done any of his like courses. I've only done like the little web app thing that he has for learning GD script, and that mostly just teaches like the fundamentals of like the programming stuff. Not really like game specific stuff. It's more just like the underlying things like variables and nodes and loops and things like that. So yes, but it's more like the lower level principles than like, oh, here's patterns on how to make more complicated things. If that makes any sense at all.
Let's see if this works. Open. Always draw hard. The start of every color. I don't know, man. Like some sort of light, something. It's yellow. Sure. Do we have a pen?
That's gold.
All right. Do we have a pen texture? You do? It's not something in the project currently.
Which one do you like? Which one do you like, left or right?
Oh,
so you can see.
The left one. Yeah, the left one. Probably.
Left one.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll just surprise boy kisser.
Okay, I can just add it in when.
Yeah, surprise boy kisser. What?
Yes, but I would think that the fundamentals are the foundation of it. Yes. So it's like a good start. It's not like you will need some other stuff.
You will need help.
Probably. Funny thing is you don't need tutorials, and you shouldn't learn at the aim to make tutorials your basis of going about things. More or less, yeah. But it also depends on the person. It's annoying because you like kind of, at least I felt like I needed tutorials until I like got it, and then it's like, oh wait, I don't need tutorials anymore. And then you just kind of like look up the things that you don't know.
Works. Let's fucking go. Kind of, it works.
Some sort of help you like how to navigate the engine. Yeah, just like really basics. Like if you don't know like the most basic things, it's like just messing around is gonna mess things. Like you're not gonna get anywhere just by messing around if you don't know how to mess around.
Some tutorials are also just straight up wrong. You are correct, Bond. Some tutorials do just straight up say the most wrong shit imaginable and say, here's what you do if you want to do this. And then they just lead you down the most fucking... What?
Sorry.
What did you say?
Sorry.
I don't even fucking know what you said.
Quiz makes some interesting choices sometimes.
Oh, did you say quiz? I thought you said did. I thought you were fucking... Nah, I don't know. I haven't watched his tutorials, so I'm not
his tutorials work. They're not always the best way to do things. But hey, if you're trying to get things...
I mean, I'm sure... Yeah, I mean, there's enough people to watch, so I'm sure that he's got...
Yeah.
Yeah, I just haven't watched him because a lot of the stuff he covers is like a little bit more of the basic stuff. Which is like stuff that I don't particularly need help
And also,
with.
like, it's not like there's really any wrong way to do things.
No, not outdated, just straight up misconceptions. Yeah, no, yeah, some
There's a lot
tutorials
of
do just
those.
have wrong information, unfortunately, in Decor. Like, some tutorials will just genuinely be just baffling wrong. Also, he uses a sprite.
Yes, I use a sprite.
Also, what do you mean meow? How do you find the bit to your JW? You want a programmer for your game? Is that what you mean?
Nah, he just wants a cool friend that plays Rivals.
That's not I'm the programmer for your game, first and foremost, and then I am friendly with you because it benefits our business partnership.
Okay, bro.
Let's see, shuffle.
Hello?
Deck. What's up? What's good?
Oh, I'm a moron.
Yeah.
Wait, why did it work the first time? Oh, duh. I'm stupid.
Let's see. Is this called? This is called at the start of the
someone that'll
room.
stick around. You think Biddy's gonna stick around after Dante's 9? He's gonna disappear.
Yes, sir.
He's
Yes,
gonna be
sir.
like, I want to make a traditional roguelike now.
Yeah. You're right.
And then he's gonna go make that, and then he's gonna make like $3, and he's gonna be like, please let me back in.
Yeah, no, that's definitely.
I want to make a real roguelike.
Yep. Yep. Yes, sir. Oh, this needs to be active or inactive because I only want this to do this whenever it starts the room. Fuck. Is restock still a thing? Restock is still a thing that I'm calling. I just don't know what the fuck. This was ugly. I'm not looking over there again. That was gross. So I guess what I can do is I can go here and set this to an active flag. True. And then like card or deck.gp. I really don't want to just like I don't want to just like hard code this, but I think I might need to for something like this. Shuffle deck. Draw is discard.duplicate. Shuffle the discard. I guess I could do a sort on this, right? Hold on.
Okay, I am making a little bit more balance by making it that if there's multiple marks on the same enemy, it'll only be additive. So it won't be like 1.5 times 1.5 times.
I see.
It would be 1.5 times plus 1.5 times.
I want to play League of Legends.
No. You have to wait till at least 9 o'clock when the Counter-Strike weeklies reset. Okay.
I want to play the arena so bad. Fuck. Actually, I probably will play League of Legends after this, to be honest. Unfortunately. Sorry, everyone.
I will play Counter-Strike after this.
Sorry, everyone. Let's see. Pin modifier? Well...
Did that not actually work? I don't think that worked.
Wait, I might be stupid. I'm so fucking dumb. I put this bitch in here. Wrong place. Pin modifier. I will add a var active, which is
this should now deal.
gonna make a
Wait, is
top-down
it 3
pixel
times
restaurant.
2
Holy
is
shit! What in the fucking diner dash? That goes hard. Goobers. Every artist wants a Billidic. Probably not.
Oh wait, no, I want to do this -1.
Furry noodle looks
multiply.
furry and noodle shaped.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah,
What?
you heard him, furry noodle. You're getting fucking your noodle shaped.
Tempura noodle. That's not how tempura works.
Can you have tempura noodles actually?
I mean, if you tried hard enough.
Wait,
probably.
hold up. I'm looking this up now. I'm curious. Tempura noodles.
There we go. Now it's doing the right amount.
I don't feel like tempura noodles would be a good idea because it's usually just the noodles served with something tempura style, like with the batter. Yeah, no, because I'm looking up tempura noodles and it's just pictures of like fucking udon with tempura shrimp on it. We need.
Did you see the cat stickers that I got?
Nope. The world needs more tempura food, by the way, that isn't shrimp.
Yeah, I'd agree.
I do not fuck with shrimp.
Oh, I like it, but
You would. That's the problem. Ooh, that's a fun one, actually. Oh, no, I guess that doesn't matter, does it? Not really. Well... Question, JW.
go.
You know how we are... Don't do that. You know how we are using the slot machine and it, like, puts random stickers on it?
Uh-huh.
Are those are just pure random stickers, I'm assuming? Like any of the stickers that can be put on it?
Stickers that they can apply. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pure random of those. So.
Oh, I don't know, probably.
What do you mean probably? You wrote the code, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fair.
Saying like that like means anything.
Because I'm thinking, I'm like, this would be kind of funny if the sticker that you get on a slot machine card is pinned because it just doesn't do anything.
Yeah, that is funny.
Oh, sorry. Do I like Godot for its lightweight and like other engines like Unity where you can import your game to anything? So I don't know what fucking Unity you used, but Unity ran like shit on anything that wasn't my gaming rig. But I mean, kind of pick the engine based on like whether or not you like the feel of it, rather than, or like if it's gonna help you like do things. The main reason I picked Godot, obviously it being lightweight is a benefit. Honestly, it was actually quite a large benefit to start out with, because whenever I got like done with work or whatever and I wanted to do some game dev, if I booted up Unity, it would take me like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get in and start working on my project. With Godot, it's like a minute most at max, like which is nice. But ultimately the reason I use Godot is because I like the features that it has. I like how quickly it is to prototype things and how quickly and modular everything is. It's less about like Unity versus Godot, free open source, or like anything. It's like this is the engine. This is the engine I use because it's the engine that does what I want, mainly. Okay, sorry, what am I doing? Oh, I need to remove these from draw for card in pinned cards. Draw dot remove or dot erase. Dot erase. Card, and then I also want to add How am I adding cards to hand? Am I doing draw card? Is that what we're doing? Is that the play? Draw card.
Probably.
Draw hand, try draw. Draw card. Add card. Add card. Oh yeah, you do just go into the hand, don't you? Draw to append card. Add card. Add temporary card. Does this and then draws the card. I see. I don't want it to do that, actually. Yeah, I don't want it to. Move card to hand. Yeah. Yeah. Card instance. I want to do hand touch. Card drawn. Card.
Maybe I should make a mark into a blue card since I currently have 1, 2, 3, 4 green cards and only 2 blue cards. I love changing the design based on how many of the specific card type we have. Very good.
Sorry, what? What are you changing about, huh?
Probably need I want to change the mark to a blue card.
Oh, fair enough. It is kind of like a buff, so that makes sense. What was it before?
It was green. Because with green, it would just last forever until you killed the enemy.
I see. Kinda. That doesn't make much sense, but I kinda see.
So for the blue, that means that it would be duration based. So it would last for a period of time.
Okay, and green means that it's a permanent thing?
Yes. Green is just like a general buff that just applies a thing like once.
This doesn't... Box isn't like a forever thing.
Well, like it's a one time. It doesn't last over time. Basically, if it's a buff and it lasts over a period of time, it's a blue card. If it's a buff or some sort of thing that isn't a weapon that doesn't last over a period of time, then it's green.
Hey JW, can you do me a favor? Can you try out box and tell me if it's working for you? Because I'm thinking that maybe I broke something at some point.
Hold up.
I'm thinking that something went wrong.
A little bit.
The funny thing is, I actually don't know when this happened.
It's really funny.
Something broke.
Increases your speed.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and then the platforms are broken now. I see.
Oh, that must have been what caused it. Because I accidentally used a box.
That's funny. I don't know what the fuck happened here.
You can only cancel it midair now.
Yeah, I'm seeing that as well. That's weird as fuck. Okay, well that's... I'll take a look at that in a second. Let's see. How does this work if I go in here and say that I want Soul Dispenser to be...
Why do you jump so high when you're in the...
and I want Energy Drink to be pinned. I want a box to be pinned, which means that every time I start a room, I should see that. Oh no, I need to... Is restock card called anywhere? Yes, but not where I want it to be. Ended? Is there anything inside of a room base that handles the deck? This shouldn't be in here, actually. It will be, but it shouldn't be.
Sorry.
Okay, dude. think that this works. I think that this works. Let's find out. So these should all be pinned, and if I go to a room and start it... Ooh. Hello there. I forgot to add a null check. My fault.
How good is the Godot docs?
How good is the Godot?
Very, very good.
Godot docs
They're
are very
nice.
good.
There's also
bad.
a way
Okay,
to
you're
search
smoking crack.
an engine. Bond, we might have to kill you.
Let me catch up with chat real quick. No one hires Godot devs. Industry ignores them. Well, kind of. Yeah, they don't hire specifically for Godot, but they hire programmers. I know that there's a lot of dev companies that will hire specifically for engines like Unity or Unreal, but like, I don't know, like the general knowledge for being a programmer kind of transcends a lot of engines. It's sort of the experience. See also, I don't know why so many people are hellbent on turning their dreams into soul-crushing 9 to 5. Yeah, I also kind of feel that way. My programming for jobs and my programming for game stuff is like completely separate. A lot of Godot docs is heavily work in progress and missing a ton of info. A lot of functions are also currently completely undescribed. Yeah, that's true. Go ahead and compare that to, I don't know, Unity docs, Unreal docs, Bevy docs, or GameMaker docs, and then remind me how good the Godot docs are. They're really good, honestly. A lot of Unity docs where I open up a file, or I open up a page that's like, I don't know, like test move component, and then I open it up and it says, this is test move component. And that's it. And it's like, okay, sick, terrific. Like, yeah, I mean, Godot docs are not perfect, but like in terms of, like, there's not going to be any good docs. But in terms of a game engine docs, it's probably one of the best. I mean, you can also search the docs inside of the editor. Like if I want to look for like
that, I love so much.
Yeah, like I want to find out about raycast, so I can do like fuck, what is the how do I get the space state actually? It's off of just object, I guess. It's space state. There we go. Okay, what does this have inside of it? There's like something about raycast in here, or like intersect ray. Here we go. This takes in physics ray query parameters. Okay, sick. I can click on this. Okay, and I know how to do all of this, which is like terrific. And I really like this. I mean, it also has integrated tutorials as well, or at least like links to tutorials. So you can see here, if I click this, it'll actually take me to the Godot docs page. That is just like a full-on tutorial on how you could use this in your game, which is like so much better than Unity or Unreal have. You don't like how when Godot releases a new version, the code syntax and different things change, making the programming language GDScript hard to keep up with. So that depends. GDScript, for the most part, doesn't change syntactic-wise breaking changes unless they specifically say that they do. Like Godot 4.5 release notes. So if I go over here to the Godot website, what you can do is you can just like Control F for like break, and it will mention like where things can break. You can also, okay, yeah, so they have this. So here are the things that break between the two different versions. And it's just like this method was replaced by this thing. You know, this thing was replaced by this thing. A lot of these are actually not specific to GDScript. Like some of these, like these are in the C++ code, I'm fairly certain. This one is like, this mentions that none of these are actually breaking changes because it's optional. So like, these are not actually, it says breaking. It's not actually breaking for that. So a lot of it's not actually like huge migrations. Between Godot 3 and Godot 4, there was a huge migration because they upgraded the scripting language by a lot. But in terms of like a 4.4 to 4.5 or so on, like it's not even remotely like an issue. Also, Meowj, I also, or yeah, I do just use the in-engine text editor. I don't know if you're asking me or JW, but we both do.
Oh, Biddy, did you fix the thing with removing components?
Potentially. I think I did.
Okay.
I don't know if that is the reason that the box is fucked up, but I did something, which is pretty cool.
I was just wondering because I'm adding components for the enemy mark, and it's going to be dynamically adding or removing them now that
yes,
it's time-based. So I wanted to make sure that I can just queue free it and it'll work.
Yeah. Yep, the box manager that you've got right there, like, should just automatically free itself. Like, not the box manager, sorry, the stone block.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know what you meant. Win.
Thanks. Twin. Alright, bud. To the kennel with you.
Oh.
He's going to the kennel.
Sorry.
You need to make a new placeholder texture that is like Dante Kisser or some shit, so that we have like a...
No, I'm not doing that.
You're not doing that? Okay. Alright. Who is accepting commissions for pixel art style, or pixel art in the style of Dante's 9? Who is it? Fess up. Which one of you will do it? Oh, that didn't work. Oh shit, hella errors.
You know, you have like a server full of like 800 people that you can just ping and be like, but I don't want to ping.
This is true.
I can't add everyone.
You're full? Is this about commissions, or are you just like telling us the state of like how much dinner you ate? Is
Stuff.
JW.
What?
Fucking weird. So weird.
I'm not weird.
You're weird. You're weird as fuck. You're so fucking weird, man. No help here, nopers. Yeah. Fail. True. Yeah. Oh shit, wait. Oh, JW. It works.
That now works.
It works. Hold on. Check this out. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Oh, oops, sorry, I need to actually up. I can probably change my start scene back to the actual level now that I've got whatever. So if I add auto turret, box, salmon storm, and slot machine, and I'm gonna go here. Auto turret. I'm gonna add pin, box. Gonna add pin. Oh, that's kind of funny that the the pin stickers of Boy Kisser, you like pinning stickers, don't you?
Wait, I have an idea.
What?
Take the top, the fork, go open up the forge.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Just scroll up.
I got you. What would it be? This one would be this one, yeah. It's not gonna work. Oh, wait. Hold up. Let me get the controller out. I think I can get precise placement with this. Fuck, it's scrolling the background. It looks so bad.
It looks so goofy. Okay, we need a screenshot of this.
You like upgrading cards, don't you?
That needs to go on Twitter right now.
Anyways, so if I go to this room over here, actually, this is going to be fun because I now have A lot of stickers with pin. I have 8 of them.
8, 5, wait, 8, yeah.
What do you mean 5? Where did you get 5 from? 1,
I don't
2,
know.
3, 4, 5, 6,
I see,
7,
I see.
8.
500 stickers.
How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That looks like 8 to me. All 8 drew.
That's pretty fire.
Fire. It's just a fucking assorted set of boy kisser shapes. My hand is oops all boy kisser. Wait.
And if you use them, it doesn't. It reduces the hand size.
Yeah, and it also won't like
Why
cause
is there a
them.
green orb floating around down there?
Don't worry about it. It's
Oh, that's the.
yeah, it's a debug draw
That's the
thing.
pathfinding. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because you have to draw things whenever you're pathfinding. Because oh shit, it's got the boy kisser on it. It's got the pin stick or berserk. It's got one of the two. Actually, I don't know.
It's got one of the two.
I don't know what that fucking card is. Yarn ball.
I think it's. Oh, okay.
That was unexpected. What sticker do you have on you, buddy? Or no, I would need to do this inside of. No, I can
Okay,
do this
well, I
here.
need to keep working because it's almost Counter-Strike time.
If input is I can press debug 2. Console dot current card. Yarn ball. Okay, that's great. Dot stickers. Okay, it is berserk. I don't know why you have that. I didn't think you could have that, but apparently you can. Accuracy is not a thing that you have in the slightest, so I don't.
You added it to the throne.
Oh yeah, you're right. I did add it to the throne. Like the throne, like Dota 2 ancient. That's what Wilson calls it.
That's crazy.
Exclamation mark throne. Yeah, if you go to exclamation mark throne, never mind. What would you add to a throne if you had a throne?
I don't know.
You don't know. Yeah. The Dante's 9 throne is gonna go crazy.
Salmon Storm.
Let's draw all of them now. Yes. Still. Okay, so we'll continue to draw these. Salmon Storm. I really don't know what the fuck is up with Dante and why he... Oh, shit. Why did all of these get drawn again? I fucked something up. I fucked something up bad.
Yeah.
Hmm.
What's the best way to make something that's the child of something not rotate with the parent? Like I want it to, when I put the enemy mark on something, if the enemy rotates, I want it to not, like,
set it to
rotate
top
with the
level and
enemy.
just make it follow the position every frame.
Okay.
Because the other way that you would do that is by setting that object's rotation to, or global rotation to 0. But you're gonna have to do that every frame anyways.
Yeah.
There's a couple of ways you could do it, but I think the easiest is just to do that.
Yeah, this works.
Also, if you don't mind, can you put your onreadies below your vars and your exports above everything else? Okay. Holy shit, this game gets fucking chaotic. Does it get fun? It might. Oh shit! Why did we do that? Oh! I know what's going on. I know I'm like stupid. Oops. And mod dot active equals false. So what was happening was that it was continuing to draw cards even though it shouldn't. And now it should actually like draw up to your hand size, right? Whenever it shuffles. Yay! Yay! I don't know why this isn't detecting the player anymore. Oh. Hold on. I have to add an exception. Do you do the same thing?
I'm trying to think what the indicator should be for like what where the enemy is. Something like kind of arrow. Like this guy, but like smaller.
You guys fuck with Minecraft ARGs? Actually, have you watched? Did I ever send you those videos, JW?
Which one?
The Minecraft ARGs, like searching for a world that doesn't exist.
That was, like, popular. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I watched that.
You watched that one, really?
I think I watched Ludwig watch that one because it was recommended to me.
Oh my lord!
And I was like,
wow, that's
this looks like it could be interesting.
That's. I'm sorry, man.
No, it was still cool.
Beverly said it. I think I watched Ludwig watch that.
What?
Sorry. My fault.
You know, he made Rivals of Aether too.
That's true, by himself.
No, he had to help with Pirate Software.
Oh, yeah. That's why the game has so many furry characters, is because of Pirate Software, but because the game runs so well is because of Ludwig. Yep. This is true.
This is true.
Yeah, yep. And ever since Pirate Software got like canceled or whatever, have you noticed that the last two characters were not furry like at all? We have a dinosaur that's made of metal and a wrestling ant. Like, yeah. Sorry, buddy, pack it up.
For the team.
What did you say?
I said took one for the team.
Yeah, as if that's not what you want out of fucking Rivals of Aether. Okay, I think I may have found out what was wrong with the box, which is good. Yeah, I did find out what was wrong with the box.
Best viewers.
What?
Chat, go click on that link.
Did you say chat, go click on that link?
No.
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh. Why would I do that?
Okay, so box works again. The issue was with the component clearing thing that I had done, because movement drivers actually automatically handle that, and so do input drivers. We just have, I'm just adding a thing that those drivers can say, no, I want to do this myself.
Yeah. I didn't hear a single thing you just said.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Don't worry, I know, yeah. Okay, sorry.
Why don't they try scamming like the viewers instead of the streamer? Like I feel like you could get a lot
cheap
more
streamers at like
cheap streamers.
Like, what do you mean? What are they gonna fucking scam? Are you stupid? They're not gonna buy viewers. Like, the viewers aren't here to buy viewers. Cheap
But like
streamers at
the thing
twitch.tv
is,
/
there's like usually like one streamer, but like if it's a big stream, there's like a lot of
Yeah, no, you're
viewers,
right,
so,
dude.
like,
Fuck. They should
you
like.
could get a lot more viewers to click on it before like a
Mm-hmm.
streamer would.
So what would you send if you were making a scam bot that sent a message in chat specifically to target viewers and not the streamer specifically? What would you make that message instead?
I don't know.
Because it's not cheap viewers, because they're watching a stream. They're not streaming. They don't give a fuck. Most people who are watching streams are not streaming.
I don't know. That's your problem.
That's not my problem. I'm not the one fucking doing it. I'm not scamming. What do you mean my problem?
Maybe I should become a scammer instead of working.
I don't think you're cut out for it.
This guy hates me.
I don't think you're cut out for it, man. You can't even admit that you're a gay furry, and you think that you're gonna have the heart to be able to fucking scam people.
We might have to kill you.
Kid Boga will call you, be like, "Hello, Sonny. I'm here to buy 1,000 viewers. I'll take 1,000 viewers for a Bitcoin." How much is Bitcoin worth right now? Damn. $92,000 per coin. Wow.
More dollars than I have.
Okay, am I... And sticker works. Your equipment shield. What is this? Are you doing this? Am I doing this? What is this?
That was when you equip an equipment. It gives you a temporary shield.
Okay, a temporary shield is in
that one. I wasn't sure how to do. As in, you can absorb one attack. I don't know if it would show up on your health bar or if it would just be like something that like surrounds you.
Okay.
I was thinking it would be like just like the shields that we have currently, but like slightly different. Kind of like the special shield from Gungeon, except it's like a thing that gets added.
So for something like that we could have like a little force field around the player, yeah. like Sonic field bubble thing. You know what I'm talking about at all? You never played Sonic, did you?
Crazy reference. No, I know what you're talking about.
Like, I literally can't think of any game that's ever done that other than Sonic, is the thing.
I mean, they have it in, like, Risk of Rain.
Oh, you know what? You know what, actually? I know a game that does it. Like Rivals.
Like Rivals? Yeah. Like, what do you mean you can't think of it? Rivals Smash?
Yeah, my...
Like,
oh, or like,
Shield.
Well, like, also League of Legends has, like, a... Well, mainly the thing with Sonic was it's a shield that, like, pops the second it's, like, hit. Which League actually does have that, but... Yeah, we can do something like that, mayhaps. Like, what would that look like? Like, give me, like, a sprite here. Yeah. That look being regular and normal.
The main thing that if it's not a like actual shield in your health bar, the main thing I'm not sure what to deal with is attacks that like go through, like melee attacks.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how are you gonna stop that?
What do you I don't fucking know, man.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, no, yeah. So no. So what you do is you stop it at the source of like as the player's about to take damage. You don't like delete the projectile from the world. You go, yeah, dude, you hit something, and now like just tell the player like
they're like the damage. Yeah.
Yeah. So like instead of we're not like removing things from the world. We're just saying, yo, dog, you hit something. Congratulations, you did your job. But like in reality, we're not actually letting it hit the player.
Yeah. Yeah, you're so smart, Twin.
I know. So right, bestie. I hate you.
It's okay. Hello, Sprite 2D2. Why aren't you making your keyframe? Hello? There you go. Good job.
Yippee. Yippee. fucking love gradient texture, dude. They're never gonna take it away from me.
Oh, they will.
They could never break my love for gradient texture. Gradient texture was on what? Flight log? No. I didn't know he was friends with Crag.
No. You can't be saying that.
Crack Tear from Elden Ring. Alright, you lost me. Crack Crystal Tear from Elden Ring is a shield that goes away when it gets hit. JW, can you confirm or deny this?
Yes, this is true.
Okay. Independent fact checker has verified this. Congratulations, you are allowed through. May I interest you in a link to cheap viewers? That's the callback right there.
We might be like the funniest streamers on Twitch right now.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's moralize. Let's JW straight, not a furry. He's really good at Crag.
This is true. I'm really good at Crag.
He just said all that's true.
I'm opening rivals right now.
That he's
no,
not
I
good
didn't
at
say
Crag.
all of that's true.
He's not good at Crag, everybody.
Maybe I should play Elden Ring. Chat.
What?
Should I
You've
open up
played
Elden Ring?
Ring.
Actually, should I install Elden Ring? Or should I buy Elden Ring right now?
You own it. What are you talking about?
No, I actually only played it on Xbox.
Oh, you're weird.
Yep. Because I played it a long time ago when I used to play on Xbox.
How do I want to do this?
Wait, what is?
What?
Oh, is this not working now? Oh, I did something wrong. Oh, wait a second.
Someone isn't setting global position correctly. Hmm.
Oh, it's because I made the wrong thing top level. You need to be top level. Ooh.
Ooh. All right, buddy.
There we go. You need to be top level.
I will point out like potentially a slight issue with the display that you have there, which is that they get very close together, which may make it hard to see what the enemy is.
Yeah, I'll try it. We'll see.
It's just my initial gut reaction.
Yeah, this was just like a quick test. It could look terribly. You are correct. Yeah, I just wanted to get something moving.
Hmm.
Moving.
Objects, components. Components are like for building things. That feels wrong.
Yeah, you're right.
Let's get rid of that. Objects. Just put it in objects for now. Although it is kind of a component, so I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, dude. The hardest part about game dev is deciding where everything goes.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Actually, don't register yourself. I don't even know about you.
You should register yourself now.
So I want to know about the health. Right? Well, no. No. I want to know about the events. Util get components. I wonder if I have a failsafe or a fallback for this. I'll see in a second. Attack. Let's just like set the attack damage to 0 for now, and then say console.print. Get locked, idiot. Okay, so it does get blocked. Why is it still... We want it to... or JW, can you look whenever you get a chance?
Mm-hmm.
So I have it so
Yep.
it's not dealing damage to the player. Do you also want it to block the knockback?
No, because it should count like an attack, like a hit. Like if you got hit,
Mm-hmm.
it should kind of just act as like a temporary extra heart.
Yeah, so yeah, okay. That's fine. Because what I want to do
yes,
is, oh, see, do you want it to still play the animation whenever you get hit? Like the zoom in with the vignette on the side?
Maybe, or maybe it should play like a different animation.
I think I'd probably be okay with it playing a different animation since it's like a sort of ethereal bubble
Yeah,
thing.
It's like a specialty thing, yeah.
Yeah, I will still. I think giving the player invulnerability after the fact is still worth it though.
Yes, I agree.
Does the stream seem a bit slow? Oh, dude. Okay, now there we go. That's fire. DG's got it.
See, look at that. Beautiful. Like the number of people that would click on that would be so much more.
Mm-hmm.
What does this take you to?
There's no
Can
way.
I click on it?
Has anyone bought chowder.com yet?
What?
Chowder.com is for sale, by the way. Just letting you guys know.
What?
Chowder.com is for sale.
Huh? Is it? Okay.
Yeah. How much is it? Is it still like $10,000? Oh no. Okay. What is your guess about how much chowder.com is?
I don't know. $5.
$5. Okay. Do you know how much okay. You know how much a website usually costs? Like domain wise? Just curious. Because I don't know if you even know that.
I bought one.
Okay.
I have multiple actually.
So this says from Namecheap, chowder.com is a cool $497,000.
Why?
It's a premium website, dog.
What do you mean it's a premium website?
Chowder.com? Like, only one person can own chowder.com.
It even works pretty well on the worm, even though it like highlights the head. See, it's got like the little...
Whoa. Excuse me.
Might actually make it a different color, but I don't know, it works.
Should make a fade out at the end. Like, rather quickly, but...
I think it's fine since it's kind of like a UI thing. I want to add some sounds to it eventually, but... I still don't know what the actual card itself... I was on Vision the whole time.
Fire.
That's what you get for showing off chowder.com.
Haha, let's go. I just advertised. God, I love this fucking song. I'm glad that I found that second artist that evokes even remotely similar feelings that Mizuki's music does. Unfortunately, based on their album art, they also seem to be another furry artist, which is like very unfortunate because I wish I could find music that I got like autistic about, and they didn't have that as their album art because I don't want to fight more allegations than I have to. You know what I mean? No, you wouldn't know what I mean, actually.
Oh, no.
Why is...
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me look at the list.
The list.
Oh, let me make sure this works with the duration.
The rules.
It should.
Yay. Okay, cool. That works. Does it work well? Probably. It works well enough. JW, what should this... Are we doing any upgrades on... Or... Oh, this is for a sticker, right? Actually, the shield thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So this is whenever you equip this, this has a shield. Is it for a set amount of time then? Or is it while you have... Like, what's... How do
It's
we...
while you have it equipped.
While you
so
have it equipped.
The sticker goes on the equipment, and as long as you have the equipment equipped, it has the shield until it breaks.
Okay, I see. I see.
Alrighty then. Twin.
Thanks. Twin.
My pleasure, twin.
All right, buddy. Get your fucking Chick-fil-A bullshit out of here now. All right. Cool. What am I doing?
Counter-Strike. Actually, it's past Counter-Strike time.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Let me lock in real quick. I'm gonna get the sticker working. I'm gonna lock in. Okay. First thing is... Oh, shit. This is a new type of sticker, actually. Fuck me.
Yeah, you can do it tomorrow.
Fuck, it's a new type of sticker.
Go play League. Okay.
How do I want...
Go play League.
Give me a second. The devil is telling me to bite the apple right now. Jimmy, get in here and read John 3:16. You go to church every Sunday?
Mm-hmm.
It's just so shocking, man. You don't seem like the kind of like consistent to be able to do that. And I should know about being inconsistent. Have you seen my YouTube channel? I'm an expert on it.
I mean, have you seen my stream schedule?
Yeah, I guess, you know what? Autism likes routine. What can I say? So I'm
regular.
I need this to do something whenever the... do we have a list of stickers?
A list of stickers?
Just in general, like sticker ideas that we've had?
Yes, it's under cards.
What?
In Dante's 9.
In Dante's 9?
Click on the tab that says Dante's 9. Cards.
Okay, let's see.
It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom of cards.
Sorry, what is... Okay.
Don't worry about that. That
Yeah,
was
whatever.
me filling out like types and stuff that we did end up using. Most of those are like bad, but yeah.
Invisible sticker? What the fuck does that mean?
I don't know.
Okay, I like that you like really put like a lot of extra notes on some of these like invisible sticker. Cat skull. I get it. You're just like tossing ideas down, and sometimes you have functions, sometimes you have images. I get it.
Yeah.
And like angel wings.
He doesn't get it. He's not an artist. He doesn't get it, chat. He doesn't.
Oh
really
shit, wrong
get
one.
It. What was that other one?
What do you mean, what was that other one? That's crazy you didn't immediately fucking neuron activate to that sound.
Well, because I was drinking water and I barely heard it. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
You don't know what...
Wait, I know what that is.
You got this.
What is it? Am I stupid? I know what this is.
Oh my god.
I know what it is, but
No
like
fucking shots. Know that one? not a minion.
Oh, yes, that's what it is.
What is it?
Yes,
Go on.
Angry Birds.
There it is. He got it. It was an
I knew
angry
what it
bird
was.
flying
It
by.
was just like I just haven't heard that sound in probably like 10 years.
Is this a microwave still? It is.
Did you know that when the iPhone came out, it came with Angry Birds?
It didn't. What are the rest of the
Set
sounds
up
on here? Hold on.
soundboard.
Oh. Oh yeah, here we go. I can keep this one whenever JW talks. I can hit him with it.
Your soundboard is like really quiet compared to your voice, by the way.
Oh, is it? I have it turned down because I don't want it to be too loud,
it's,
but I can like hit it with like a...
quiet. Yeah, that's like a good volume.
Okay.
You could even turn it up like a lot more.
Well, it's maxed, so...
Yeah, okay. Darn, I wanted to like blast everybody's ears.
Meow, 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 meow. There you go.
Okay, that's a little loud.
Okay.
That's a little quiet. That's a little quiet. There we go. That's good. Why are we sending Photoshop files in chat?
Sorry.
I don't like that.
Where's mana cost? I'm just sorry. I was thinking about this. I was like, what like my receiver from Apex Legends. Can we kill this guy? Can we kill this motherfucker?
Come on, I wanted to have full auto on the op.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think of like Cool move.
Oh yeah, I forgot about Bungus. We need to add Bungus still. Because for Bungus, I was thinking it would be Bungus, but it'd be like Mana Bungus.
Oh, mana heal?
Yeah, so like the
Mana heal, it's like mana heal.
You could put it on all summons, and it
like
would
mana
give you
heal.
like a soul projector.
Yeah. Yeah, like mana heal.
Is that a League of Legends reference?
No, it's an Otterboy 12 reference, Realm of the Mad God, that he rants about. Because in Realm of the Mad God, they have a stat which is called Mana Heal. Do you know what that does?
No.
Like, actually no, or?
I mean, it has something to do with healing something mana. I don't know.
Okay, take a guess of, like, let's say if something was called Mana Heal. What would you think that would do?
I mean, maybe it would heal you when you get mana.
Okay, that's your guess?
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
Does it heal your... Does it, like, increase your mana?
It heals your mana bar. So instead of mana regen, the stat is called Mana Heal.
I hate that so much.
Because
That's so
because if your heal stat is 5, you heal 5 HP a second. If your mana heal stat is 5, you heal 5 mana a second.
I don't care. I don't like it.
That's okay. Otter fucking goes off about this every fucking time he plays Realm of the Mad God. Which, I don't know why the fuck he plays
That's so bad. I don't know why he plays it. It looks so bad.
Okay, I might actually call it for today, because I want to think more about this equipment shield thing. I've got the fucking bubble working.
Okay.
Yay. The only thing is, I need to know how I want to activate it on, like, I need to have it tie into card activation, and I am going to think about that a lot, because if we have a lot of cards that do that, I would like to have something at least generic enough that we can kind of keep that for the future. Or sorry, stickers that do that.
Also, we probably want to have it that when things like projectiles hit the bubble, they like instantly get destroyed rather than waiting to hit the player, because that looks a little weird if you have like the bubble out.
Oh, it does. Oh, you want it to hit the bubble.
The bubble. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Make the bubble a little smaller if we're gonna have a bubble. But
Yeah,
that's
we
like
can do that.
easier to do. You just put like a
just make it into a fucking hitbox.
Kills it, yeah. So if it's a hitbox, the projectile hits the hitbox. If it's a melee attack, it hits the whatever thing that makes it.
It's just gonna hit the fucking hitbox first.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's just gonna hit the hitbox first.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna what it's gonna do is it's probably gonna go in and disable the player's hitbox during this, and then take it over as the hitbox, and then when the player gets damaged, it just eats that. Honestly, that's gonna be an interesting one because it also means that it would get hard. It would get like the harder the level is, the better the shield is. Because if you're taking like double damage, the shield will still block a full attack, even though normally that shield would block
Yeah.
half a heart, and now it is blocking a full heart. Or if you have, for example, 24 cursed skulls, what normally would kill you, which actually would kill me now because I don't know how to add this back to the player other than like deleting it and adding it back, perhaps. May add it back. Who knows? The game is frozen. The game's not working. Okay, game's not happy about that, but yeah, it would block as much damage as it could. I don't know if we want it to have.
No, I like that. That's cool.
Okay. So yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna call it for today.
Now we're adding all this like buffing and things like that. Now I want to add more like advanced enemies that are more dangerous.
Yeah, I think we should. The enemies need to have more.
With all the stuff we have now, it's like the enemies don't feel as scary. Like it's been like the enemies were easy and then they were scary because we made them more harder, and then now we added a bunch of like crazy items and stuff, and now they feel really easy.
We're just like
that's a good thing.
Power scaling ourselves, but yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you guys for hanging out. We will be back on Thursday.
With hopefully more of this stuff in the list on tomorrow, but we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm playing League of Legends tonight.
Goodbye, people.
I'm playing Counter-Strike. Good night.